lipstick on a glass. I can feel it around me. I disappear in my thoughts with the weight of it all. Maybe it's not loneliness. Maybe it's just the truth, with all the noise finally stripped away.